Hey gang, I just wanted to hop on here and share with you a little bit about this ionization foot bath that I got. And when I'm excited about something, I want to share it and give you my honest opinion about this in a review format. So this is pretty cool. This is the controller. This is the ionization thing that makes the water ionize. So check out this video. And if you like this kind of content, hit that follow button and let me know what you think about this product as well. This is the Ultimate Ionic Foot Bath Detox by Vibles. I'm excited about this, and my wife is too, because she needs something like this. I just want to check it out and give you my honest opinion about this and kind of tell you a little bit about this. And you can see what it comes with. It comes with the ionizer, and it comes with these, as it's shown there, the lavender Epsom salts with lavender infused. So that's pretty awesome that it comes with that as a trial pack. And inside this, and it's collapsible too. That's another thing that's really kind of cool about this. Check this out. So this is where you put your feet in there, and you can just pop this out, and this could be where you put your feet. I'm going to show you exactly kind of how this works. And there we go. Pop, pop, and there you have it. And so that's that part. And inside here, let's check this out as well. Here's the top part of it. And that goes on the top there. You have instruction manual. And even a little thing to to put your Epsom salts in there for your feet. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, check this thing out. So I have both ionizers. There's actually two ionizers. This is an extra one that came with it. And you have three different settings. Actually, one is for a child, one is for female or male, and also the time that you want to do that. And it also comes with everything that you need. The cool thing I like about this is that it's collapsible. You can check this out on the side and see how that collapses back down. And I'm gonna try this out and see it in action. You can see how the it said it was gonna make the water change color because of the ionization. You can see it bubbling as well. And I have it on male mode. You can have it on either male or female or child mode, and it's supposed to be 30 minutes is what you're supposed to do max. But I just wanted to say that this is really cool. I put enough water in there so it doesn't go above this level right here. And yeah, it's I wear a size 9.5, so if it's me, my wife, you know, she has smaller feet, it probably would fit her better. But yeah, I would highly recommend this. This is a really cool thing. We're going to use this a lot, just as a relaxation with the ionization, and also with, you know, the Epsom salts, the lavender Epsom salts. Hope this video was helpful for you.